Welcome back to Spotlight Thursday. We're here at Wert Insurance Agency with Tom D'Angelo. Tom, tell us about Wert Insurance and what you guys offer.
Sure. Where insurance started actually in 1974 by a gentleman named William Wert. He actually got into the insurance business because of a farming accident with a power takeoff where it nearly killed him. And he was a dairy farmer and had a milk jug restaurant just down the street. And he needed to do something a little bit less labor intensive. So, where insurance started back in the mid 70s. And as of today, we're a full service, community based insurance agency based in Mansfield. Our main company that we represent is Erie Insurance. Erie is the 15th largest insurer in the country, and they're in about 14 states, mainly on the eastern seaboard. I've been involved with Wert for about this is my 18th year,
Oh, wow.
and I own the agency now 100%. So
Oh, that's awesome.
yeah, so that's just a little bit about our agency. As far as we are truly trying to be full service to our customers. So we everything from quoting to writing the policy to any claims help that a customer needs, help with rental cars, or being the liaison between the insurance carrier and the customer. That's really what we specialize in and what we do. So
That's awesome. Thank you. And what outreach do you guys do that you are proud of?
we've been heavily involved, even going back to prior ownership. We really concentrate on giving back to youth related programs, things like Little League, high school sports, arts that are youth based. Has always been kind of what we've geared any outreach toward. Um, we're involved with the community somewhat on a volunteer basis. Been a member of the chamber for a number of years. Involved with various boards, boards of directors and things in town. So that's kind of what we kind of outreach that we do. It's certainly youth based. So
That's awesome. Thank you.
yep.
And since you have started, I know you said you've been here about 18 years. How has it changed over the years?
The the insurance industry is actually a very vast and continuously evolving industry. As the world changes and technology changes, insurance carriers have had to adapt, and agents have had to adapt. We still pride ourselves on being the professional that can help people with their insurance needs, and they may not even know that they need the help until something really bad happens. Like for example, right now, one of the big things that's changing in the insurance industry is is cyber threats, cyber theft. Insurance carriers are creating new products and coverage to help businesses and individuals that may be susceptible to cyber liability. So that's one of the things that that's changed quite a bit. I will say what has remained the same, and I think will continue to remain the same, is it's about the customer. It's about the people. We can't insure every single possible thing under the sun. There's things that may not be covered, but we do our best to try and take care of the customer as best as we possibly can. So
Thank you.
yeah.
And tell us something about Wart Insurance that people may not know.
A couple things that maybe people don't know about us is that we're mainly an Erie insurance agency, but we're independent. None of my employees. We're not an employee of Erie Insurance. We're completely independent, and we also represent other companies besides Erie, of which most of them are actually Pennsylvania based. Erie's a Pennsylvania based company. We have a company, Millville Mutual, which is based in Millville, PA. We represent Tuscarora Wayne, which is based out of Wyalusing, PA. And we represent Grange Mutual Fire Insurance Company that's actually based out of Troy, PA. The only company that we are contracted with is Progressive, and they're based out of Ohio. But the only one that's not Pennsylvania based is Progressive. They obviously do business in almost the entire country. But so that's one thing that maybe people don't realize is that we can offer them other carriers besides Erie. And the other thing that maybe people don't know about us is that we do a lot of other insurance besides just auto and home. We do a lot of commercial insurance, workers' compensation, campers, seasonal properties, rental properties. Airbnb and VRBO has become a big thing in the last couple of years. We do a number of those. That's a market that's really grown for us. So if you need some insurance need, there's a good chance that we can accommodate. So
That's a lot. Thank you for your time. We will put your information below. If you guys are looking to be covered, make sure you check out Wert Insurance. Anything you'd like to say in closing?
Sure. We're located at 1527 South Main Street in Mansfield. Our normal hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Our office phone number is 570-662-7300. If you have any questions about your insurance or want a coverage review, feel free to give us a call. And also my email address is tdangelo, which is T as in Tom, and then DANGELO at wertinsurance.com. Feel free to email me if you had any questions. Happy to reply or set up a time to meet. So thank you.
Thank you.